The boat we are going to take a video tour of today is a 2008 33-foot Regal Window Express. Boat is in absolutely outstanding condition. She has less than 450 hours on her twin 320 horsepower Volvo drives with dual props. And your first question should be, are they composite or metal drives? This boat was originally built with composite drives, and in 2014 they were replaced with the metal Ocean X drives from Volvo. So we've got a Raymarine C80 GPS chart plotter here, Raymarine VHF radio, standalone digital depth finder. That's a rudder angle indicator for your Outdrives, which you don't see often. And swinging around, you can see our Helm Seats got the flip up thigh rise, some storage underneath, stereo system throughout. This boat has great cockpit seating. You can see this large crescent shaped seat. Carpets are newer. I think they're about 3 years old. They're in excellent condition. We have a cockpit wet bar off on the port side here, which includes the optional ice maker. Got a fold-away aft seat, the stern of the cockpit here, and look, the cooler's even here. In addition to only having 450 hours on the engines, the manifolds and risers were replaced in August of 2018. Bottom was also painted in 2018. Batteries were replaced in 19. So again, this boat has really seen absolute top care and maintenance. We've got the walk-through windshield right here. Canvases are also about 15 months old, and it shows they're in excellent condition. So whoever buys this boat should not have to put much or any money into it. Now we'll go take a look. See down a couple of teak steps here. We've got teak and holly sole flooring. And looking ahead, we've got the master stateroom forward with a custom cover. That was made in 2018. And then down the starboard side here, we've got a full-length dinette. Over here you can see the stereo and DVD player. You've got a hanging locker there. Panning around, we've got a nice flat screen TV here. That's a privacy cover that snaps over the door. And our head is right here. We'll take a peek in there. Oops, looks like I forgot to turn that light on. Like everything else in this boat, absolutely immaculate. And forward of the head is where we have the galley. Of course, we've got the fridge below. Got an electric stove underneath that hatch right there. Storage up above. Beautiful cherry wood cabinetry. Got a couple of drawers below the bed. Again, I really hope this video gives you an idea of how nice and clean this boat truly is. Coming back to the mid cabin. Got nice headroom back here. Beautiful decor throughout this boat. You have a second TV back here in the mid cabin for kids or guests who might accompany you. Boat also, of course, has a generator. Generator is a Kohler. It's got about 100 hours on it. Alright, we will finish up right here. 2008 33-foot Regal Window Express, located at St. James Marina in Southport, North Carolina. Easy for me to say. If you have any questions, my name is Mike. Please give me a call. And I believe if you see this boat, you'll be very happy that you did and very happy with the condition. Thank you for your interest.